Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today I'm talking about what's in my pack during a day hike. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go from each section and show you what's in it. And at the end of the video, I'll show you a bonus of what I bring sometimes on some hikes. Since I'm a vlogger, obviously I have more camera gears, but everything else is pretty much an essential as my point of view. On each side I have plastic bottles, 1 liter. Most of the time I bring 2. I drink a lot, I get dehydrated a lot, so I always prefer to have more water. If it's a very short hike, I will only bring 1, but most of the time I bring 2 1-liter water bottles. So on the front shoulder straps, I have a pouch here which I put my camera. In the front pocket I have an MP3 player. If it's raining, obviously it goes into another bag, I'll show you later, and my small flashlight. On the other side, it's only a mini tripod that I keep on this side. I'll show you. So it's a small tripod like this. I put a strap so I can strap it to trees, but that's just me. And it's a simple tripod with a magnet that my phone stick to it. For the hip belt, on the left side, I always keep some snacks, and that's me. It's a super light box that I put my card for my YouTube channel that I can give people, and also a QR code that they can scan. But that's just me. On the right pocket, it's super simple. It's my DJI action cam. It's an Osmo Action 4. That's what I use for 99% of my videos. And that's it on this pocket. So really simple. In the top front pocket, that's where I keep a Ziploc bag with my wallet, passport, and keys later on. That's what I use. The wallet is a Chumps wallet that most people have. In the stretchy mesh front pocket, first thing I have is a head net for bugs. You need that. The second thing I have is a toilet kit. So I have a trowel, I have toilet paper, I have some wipes. So essentials for no need to explain. My main essential for me, and I think you always need to bring one, it's a water filter. I also carry a CNOC bag. That's a 2-liter bag. What I use for a filter is the platypus. There's nothing that beats this one. I've tried all of them. This one is just a tank. And the last 2 things in the mesh pocket are sunscreen and bug spray. Keep this one as a little baggie because sometimes it leaks. So that's it for the mesh pocket. So on top I have 2 main pockets. The one in the back only has one thing, and it's a butt pad. Most of you have the foam ones, which are not comfortable. This one is awesome. I have a full video on it. This is so light, so comfortable, so easy to blow. It won't pop, you know, just check where you put it. But on rocks and anything, I put it everywhere. It doesn't matter. Look how thick this is. Your butt won't feel the ground. This is so comfortable. I cannot bring anything else now. This is what I like. I always bring a fleece. So that's a Alpha Direct fleece. So the lightest one on the market, and it's warm, it breathes, that's just perfect. So always have this with me. You never know if you're gonna need it, if you're gonna hurt yourself, have to spend the night. So this with more layers will keep you warm. I also bring a rain jacket. That's my Outdoor Research Ilium jacket. This is a rain protection and also a windbreaker. I can also put that and layer it up with everything else. Will keep me warm. I bring an emergency poncho. This is 100% waterproof. So if it's pouring down, a major storm, you know, really, really bad. This can cover my pack and myself, and water won't get through. This is 100% waterproof. Raincoats or not, at some point you get wet. I bring a fun bag like this. In this, I will bring, obviously, a med kit, an emergency blanket. You can go inside, it's like a burrito for yourself. It will keep you warm. It can serve as a shelter. It's big enough for you to, you know, go fully inside, and can save your life. And a little bag that I call it my fire kit, with a little fire starter, a lighter, and a blow up straw. Doesn't weigh anything, and I think it helps so much to start a fire. Just keeps the fire up, and I just love it. And I might have some more snacks into this bag sometimes. I also bring big garbage bag, so if it starts raining I can put everything inside. And the last thing I bring is my electronic bag. This can obviously change depending on the hike, but on 98% of the hike, it's a power bank like this. This is a small one. That's a 5000 mAh. It's by Anchor. For a day hike, 5000 is plenty enough. I also bring a double wire here, and it's USB-C and micro USB, so I can charge pretty much everything. And an extra battery for my Osmo camera. So that's what's in my pack on my day hikes. So the bonus items are only if I'm allowed to bring them. They add weights, and you probably won't need that, but I bring it sometimes, so I will show you, but it's only on some hikes. And it's my drone. So I use a DJI Mini 3 drone. I keep the pouch. I always bring the case, you know, I don't want to break it. So super light, under 250 grams, so you can fly it without any license, and super quality. I love it. Just perfect drone for me, but it will add some weight. Another thing that is heavy is the remote. I have a protector in the front, which I really love, because you open it and it becomes also a protector for the sun, so it doesn't shine on the screen. And I have a little thing here that shows me, you know, some moves that I can do with the drone. But super nice, and it's well protected. And the last thing is an extra battery for my drone. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know. Feel free to ask. I'm here for that. And like I said, I will put all the information in the description below. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to click on this one. See you soon.